Hello, my friend of shared destiny. Every night, millions of us lie down with the hope that sleep will help the body repair the exhaustion of a long day of hardship in a distant land. We believe that as long as we close our eyes for enough hours, vitality will automatically return. However, the profound wisdom from ancient Zen masters points to a completely different truth. They say that the body inherently possesses a powerful self-healing ability, but only when something incredibly small occurs right before you sleep. It is a very brief moment, an extremely subtle state that most of us have inadvertently lost for a long time. When we miss that sacred landing point, sleep still comes, but the deepest restorative work of the cells remains forever standing outside the threshold. Tonight, I invite you to discover that minimalist secret, a spiritual bridge that helps you awaken the self-reviving power of your being the moment you close your eyelids. Let us begin this journey back to tranquility right now. The illusion of sleep. When the body lies down, but the mind stands guard, still your heart and ask yourself, why is it that even though you have lain still in a silent room and slept for 8 hours when dawn breaks in this distant land, you still find your shoulders heavy and your soul depleted as if you had never rested? This is because of an illusion we have long believed, that as long as the body is immobile, healing will occur. However, human vitality is much more sophisticated than that. Zen masters remind us that the problem does not lie in sleep, but in the quality of consciousness right before the darkness descends. If your mind is still restlessly chasing worries about tomorrow, or silently ruminating on the grievances of yesterday, then beneath that skin, your nervous system is actually still. Standing guard. It remains precariously in combat mode, like a soldier who has not yet received the ceasefire order. You need to understand a solemn biological law. Your body absolutely does not prioritize cellular repair or hormonal balance when it still senses the scent of danger. Instead of focusing energy on overhauling subtle damages, your vitality is squeezed dry just to maintain useless vigilance throughout the night. You may have slept, but the kingdom within you has not had a single moment of true peace to revive. It is time for us to learn how to send a more definitive peace command. Wisdom of the detached, the sacred gate of dreams. Leisurely join me in returning to the space of ancient monasteries, where silence is the only language spoken. For thousands of years, detached Zen masters did not just spend their lives preaching. They spent tens of thousands of hours silently contemplating the subtlest rhythms of existence, from the rising and falling pulse of the breath to the fragile moment when consciousness gradually dissolves into slumber. They discovered a miraculous truth that masters call the gate of sleep. This is not an abstract concept, but a very special biological and spiritual intersection. It is those few brief minutes when your mind begins to loosen the threads of attachment, the heart rate gently slows, and the nervous system prepares to hand over sovereignty to the deep recovery mode. Zen masters understand that the way you step through this gate will determine the entire quality of your life and your dignity the next morning. If you step through that threshold with spiritual hands that have completely let go, the body will immediately receive a radiant source of regenerative energy. But if you enter with a heart still heavy with worries in a distant land, or the unreconciled fractures of today, then the gate suddenly becomes heavy and dark. Then, the body must spend precious hours merely filtering through the mist of anxiety, instead of focusing all strength on repairing cells and reviving vitality. The minimalist secret that the monks have preserved actually lies in the art of choosing your state at this sacred threshold. The golden moment. Activating the power of revival. Listen to the silent rising and falling of life at this very moment. There is a biological secret that an anxious mind has hidden from you. The moment that decides the entire overhaul of the body is not when you have fallen deep into dreams, but those few brief minutes right before sleep knocks. Right at that threshold, if you know how to stop, the breath will automatically become deeper and more vast, and the heart rate will gently slow down like a temple bell in the clear night. Muscle groups that have been braced all day begin to receive a sacred license to melt completely into the support of the mattress. At this point, the brain begins to shift into slow-wave bands, issuing an ultimate command for the nervous system to enter the state of rest and repair. My friend of shared destiny, you need to understand that, if your mind is completely still at that time, the body will immediately fling open its storehouse of reserve energy to silently perform miracles, mending cellular fractures, recalibrating hormonal flow, and nourishing vitality for a new being tomorrow morning. However, if you still keep your mind bustling with calculations, you are inadvertently sending a red alert signal that blocks this process at the threshold. This is the focal point of the entire healing journey that masters have always taught. True revival always begins before you sleep. Absolutely not after you have slept. Because they empathize with this law, monks never surrender themselves to the darkness unconsciously. They actively create a safe atmosphere for the soul at that intersectional moment. So what is silently preventing us from touching this power every night? Let us look directly at the habit that has been stealing your vitality for so long. The silent thieves of peace. Quietly observe the rhythm in your room at midnight. Amidst the silence of this distant land, the blue light from a phone screen suddenly becomes a masked thief, silently stealing the purity of your being. There is a heartbreaking truth that most of us are inadvertently forcing our brains to work overtime right before the hour of rest. We restlessly chase news full of agitation, struggle to arrange the equations of tomorrow, or busily engage in inner debates with someone who has rippled our hearts. Unintentionally, you are sending a red alert command to the nervous system. Right now, the kingdom within is not yet truly safe. When the brain identifies instability, levels of the stress hormone, cortisol, remain high, preventing muscle fibers and blood vessels from ever receiving the license to completely let go. The door to cellular overhaul is locked tight, for the body cannot mend neurons while simultaneously standing guard against dangers that exist only in the mind. The result is a wearying paradox. You still sleep, but your vitality is not clarified at all. You enter dreams with a heavy armor of defense on your shoulders, causing your soul to linger in exhaustion every morning as if it had never rested. It is time for us to learn how to disarm our inner weapons in the way of the masters. Night Reset Ritual, the minimalist secret of the masters. Gently lay down every definition of effort in practice or complex training that we have always heard. Now, I invite you to touch the gentlest bridge into the darkness. The bridge that Zen masters silently practice in their quiet hermitages. Their secret does not lie in complexity, but in a sacred art of stripping away. This ritual begins the moment you have lain still, letting the entire weight of your body be completely surrendered to the support of the mattress. Gently close your eyelids, shedding every earthly role to return to your purest being. Next, I invite you to let silent awareness take refuge in the present breath. Please do not try to be a commander who always wants to mold the breath to his will. Do not force it to be deep, nor make it slow. Simply be a tolerant witness, quietly observing the air flowing in and out like the flow of a silent river. When the breath is free, your mind also begins to find its way home. And this is the moment of liberation. Perform a definitive inner gesture to close the old day. Do not analyze whether today was good or bad, and do not restlessly try to fix what is already past. Gently whisper to yourself this mantra of spiritual sovereignty: today is truly finished. Understand that you do not owe the world permanent perfection. You only owe your being a sense of ease when night falls. Finally, allow the entire body and mind to melt completely into the silence. Do not hunt for sleep. Let sleep find its own way to perch on your eyelids when all resistance has vanished. You do not need to do anything more. Everything is completed. Just let yourself drift in the grace of the most complete peace. When the body heals itself, the biological miracle of letting go, empathize with a profound and miraculous truth silently operating within you the moment you courageously loosen the final thread of attachment to the old day. When your mind truly lets go, an ultimate peace command is issued, directly activating the parasympathetic nervous system, the sacred kingdom of rest, and the overhaul of the being. At that very moment, a biological miracle begins to rise beneath the skin. The streams of stress hormones that have clouded the blood vessels suddenly recede like a vanishing tide, making way for vitality to circulate in purity. When the century of the nervous system officially receives a definitive safety signal, the brain truly flings open the doors to perform its greatest divine function, repairing subtle cellular fractures, recalibrating the rhythm of the immune system, and recharging the energy that has withered after years of hardship in a distant land. This is why sleep following 3 minutes of practicing letting go carries such powerful reviving power. You are not just sleeping to pass the night, you are allowing your being to bathe in an atmosphere of absolute recovery. When the barriers of anxiety are gone, your body will naturally understand how to purify itself, silently mending deep-seated exhaustion, returning to you a weightless body and a clear soul upon awakening. Learn to trust absolutely in the wisdom of the flesh, for in this total surrender, vitality is silently rebuilding your own sacred temple in the heart of the silent night. Wisdom of the darkness, the art of renunciation for rebirth. Try to quietly contemplate the great rhythm of heaven and earth as the twilight recedes. In Buddhist wisdom, darkness is not merely the absence of sunlight. It is a sacred space for renunciation. Zen masters understand a profound truth. Night is not just a time for the body to sleep, but the most precious time for the soul to perform the most complete art of letting go. Friend of shared destiny, the silent tragedy that keeps us tossing and turning in this distant land is that we inadvertently force the mind to work overtime in the middle of the night. If you carry the entire file of today, from worries for children to concerns over livelihood and hidden inner fractures into your dreams, your mind will never receive the order to rest. It is like a machine still straining even though the car has stopped. Your vitality is squeezed dry just to feed the ghosts of anxiety in the dark. The secret of healing that monks have long preserved lies right in this moment. If you courageously drop today, right at the threshold of sleep, your mind will automatically find its way back to the harbor of silence. And it is in that absolute silence that vitality is truly free to mend the kingdom within you. Tonight, consider your bed a pure sanctuary where you shed all earthly roles, renouncing the identity of a warrior or a breadwinner. When you stop holding on to the world, you will be amazed to find the world suddenly becomes light. When the mind has nothing left to arrange, the body will naturally understand how to return to its most original state of wholeness. Silence is the most precious elixir nature provides, only waiting for you to courageously let go so you can truly be healed. The bridge of surrender, letting life lead the way. Tonight, as you lie peacefully in the silent space of your room in this distant land, I invite you to take a courageous step of consciousness. Do not be in a hurry to chase dreams immediately. Instead of coercing your eyes shut to get sleep over with, give the temple of your body a few of its most sacred, silent moments. This is the time when you do not need to do anything. You only need to allow yourself to be present. Gently lean on a slow breath. Feel the shoulders gradually drop, and let every agitated film of today leisurely dissolve into the void. Please understand this ultimate truth to soothe your consciousness. Healing does not begin the moment you fall asleep. It truly starts the moment you courageously let go completely. Healing doesn't begin when you sleep. It begins when you finally let go. Let the final exhale be a gentle farewell to all worries, returning to you a pure and absolutely hollow being. When you stop intervening, vitality will itself play the most brilliant symphony of recovery in the tolerant darkness. Tonight, you are truly okay. Friend of shared destiny, let the words shared just now quietly settle into your consciousness, like golden dust slowly falling to the bottom of a still lake in the clear night of this distant land. Detached Zen masters understood this secret thousands of years ago, that the human body inherently possesses a peerless wisdom of recovery. an ability to mend every subtle fracture without needing a single command from logic. However, that miracle can only manifest when your mind is truly quiet, when the nervous system senses absolute protection, and when you sincerely grant a license of surrender for your being to rest. Therefore, tonight, right at the fragile threshold of dreams, I invite you to gift yourself a small but liberating power, a moment of complete letting go. Loosen your spiritual hands, stop arranging the world, and let the body be free to do what it has thoroughly understood since the beginning, to heal and revive the radiant source of vitality within you. Wishing you a long night of peace and a morning of awakening and boundless joy. Thank you for your trust and for accompanying me. Goodbye, and sleep very well.